somewhat laid out how it's gonna go. The two side pieces go on the side, obviously. This goes on the opposite end of the little piece. The little piece is going to go on the bottom, just like that. And this is gonna go on the top to block it back here, okay? So we'll just begin with by putting it one edge side at a time. Sometimes it needs a little motivation. Move you guys up a little bit. See what I'm doing here. We'll just start at one end and work our way down. Alright. I'm using some 2-inch staples. Alright, a little bit of an operator error in there. Having some difficulty getting this to go on. So I'm just going to go through and put one every so often. I put a couple bit more on the ends just to kind of help hold that in. Now, this is the important part. It's not really life or death, but just making sure that we have the right, you see that, the right side flipped up. There. We do. This bottom board is a little bit warped, so I'm having some difficulty, and actually this piece is warped too, then now that I look at it. Landlord's gonna really appreciate that. He's my neighbor. Alright, so this piece is going to be the problem child, it looks like. Let's try down here. Starting at this end. You have to use the nails it comes with. Not a problem. But as you can see, this is just not wanting to. Alright, it's easy enough. Now, just whatever end you put the short side on, like this, the other side needs to be, or the bigger piece needs to go on the opposite. So if we go like this, it needs to go like that. So I'm going to put this piece down here. Just because this end is not as pretty as this end. So just put a couple staples in there. And this is gonna go some more light, and this goes on the opposite side, right? Alright, so there we have it. One bottom board. So now all that we need to do is put a coat of paint on it. And I do have some paint, but we'll get to that after we put together the inner cover and hive top. Alright, so many thousands of hours later, here's the finished product. I ended up painting the inside of this one, but like I said, I don't think I'm going to on the other couple that I'm putting together right now. Real simple, real easy. The kit that comes from Daydon is super simple. On this one, I don't know if you guys can tell, my lighting's pretty terrible down here, but this is a different color, a different exterior paint that I found at Home Depot or Lowe's in their Oops paint. Again, it doesn't have to be anything fancy, no sense in spending $30 a gallon for this. I did put, I think 2 layers of some interior paint on over this, and then I put 1 or 2 layers of the exterior paint on top of that. I don't know if you can do that or mix them or not, but I did because that's what I had. No sense in making things overly complicated. That's what I at least think. Bees aren't going to tell the difference, and I believe though the exterior paint will hold up, you know, a little bit better over time out in the wild and the wind and the rain and snow that we get up here. So I'm gonna post some links to my other videos, so be sure to check those out. Don't forget to like and share these videos, as I'm trying to produce some more information that you guys can use to help further your beekeeping adventures and to further educate people on beekeeping in general. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.